Hi, it's Mark here. I wanted to very quickly shoot this show and tell video for you about something that's new and amazing and exciting here now, available to you on the Instagram platform. This is part of the personalization and automations that they quietly started rolling out on the 4th of June 2021. We are now coming up on middle of August of 2021, and by the end of August, all Instagram accounts will have access to this feature, as well as many others that the automations now bring to allow us to better engage with our followers and create better user experiences. And I want to show you what I mean by that. So you spend a lot of time creating content. It's great content. You have calls to action, but what is the user journey? What is your sales funnel, if you will, to bring people more closely into your world? So what we're really talking about is utilizing simple guided messaging conversations. And here on this post, if you want this guide of mine, I tell you to comment using the word guide. Now, folks, this could be a game changer for you. So what happens if I will comment the word guide on this post? Guide. Okay, so following the instructions, that's the call to action. I've just posted guide because I want the guide. And wait for it. We'll be getting an automatic reply. Here it is. So a direct message has come back. Welcome, Mark's digital assistant. I do a lot of things for him, like delivering his free guide. Can I get that to you now? Just tap yes, I want it. And the next part of the conversation is awesome. Here it is. Tap the link below to download the PDF guide to your device now. So we can do that. Just tap that. And it's downloading. Okay, back to the conversation though. Are you ready for more? Well, in the spirit of reciprocity, I just delivered something that is valuable that you want. So you're going to say, sure, ready for more. What else do you have to offer? And so the conversation continues. You see how this is very, well, conversational. Carries on. I can help you create additional income streams from your existing Instagram account. Interested in learning more? Well, I think anyone on Instagram would be interested in learning how they can create income streams from existing accounts. So, okay, that's great. How many Instagram followers do you currently have? Okay, so now, again, just simple questions requiring nothing less than, a tap of a bubble as far as a reply. And then coming back, imagine for a minute, you could automate your current DM replies or have someone message you a specific keyword that would start conversation like this, which this has done. So you're seeing this in real time. Makes it easier for your followers to sign up for your trainings, and also builds 3 different lists: a messaging list, an email list, and with phone numbers, an SMS list, all on autopilot. Would that make your life easier? Well, yes, that sounds good to me. So you just tap sounds good, carries on. And I can help you monetize those channels too, so that you're creating 3 brand new money-making channels. Would you like to know more? Yes, tell me more. Folks, are you starting to see the power of this? It all started from tapping in a keyword, and now we're going through a nice intimate automation that now invites us to get on a call. And at the end of the day, isn't that what your user journey, sales funnel on Instagram does as well? You want to get people on a call. But this does give some pre-qualification, some sense of context, And you can certainly create these in a million different ways to reflect your brand, your messaging, and products and services and so on and so forth. But I just wanted to again acquaint you with now what is available and what's available to you specifically, and what this would look like. Carry on to say, like to send you a coupon, no email required. Also, folks, do you understand that all of this has started without requiring an email? And now we're delivering a coupon. So this coupon could be for a discount for your products, goods, and services. It could be a coupon in advance of offering people the invitation to shop at your online store or your offline store. I mean, don't you think that offering, a bribe like that, something of value, would motivate a number of your followers to take action? Then now I carry on to say, hey, Mark, it's Mark's digital assistant again. We'd love to share one of our short videos with you. Would you like to see it? Well, yes, I'm ready now. I'm intrigued. I've continued to build up a sense of know, like, and trust in a very non-threatening, friendly manner. And now this is where I ask for the email, which at this point, no one has a problem giving up. So success on the fly at gmail.com. Also, folks, can you see we have not taken anyone off of the messaging platform? Again, this this is geared to your ideal people who are on mobile phones. All of us are on mobile phones, and it creates a frictionless experience. So just confirm your email is successonthefly@gmail.com. Yes, see how this comes back and again just verifies things. The question now is, does your current marketing funnel do anything even close to this, and provide a frictionless user, fun, engaging experience? Now we ask, are you up for text? You see, now we're starting to build up our own marketing channels now that we control, because as you know, we don't control the our account on Instagram. We are beholding to Instagram, and they change the algorithms all the time. So we're constantly fighting, an algorithm to be seen and heard. Can you, though, imagine with now a messaging list, an email list, a text messaging list? Now you've got 3 different communications channels that you now own and control, that you can reach out to your ideal people with. So it carries on. I could type in the phone number and so on and so forth. But I just wanted to leave you with this at this point to start getting excited about what the opportunities now are. And this is just one of the elements and features that Instagram provides through what is known as Instagram automations. And I and others like me help people that are busy business owners like you stitch things like this quickly into your Instagram account. These conversations can start on Reels, they can start on your stories, in your Instagram posts, obviously in your bio, and they can start with keywords, much as this was triggered by, and on your lives and your videos. If you mention a specific keyword and people DM that keyword, it will start triggering the specific conversation that you wanted people to get involved with, and provide registration and details to an upcoming online training, again, delivering a coupon for shopping experience. And speaking of experience, that's at the end of the day what this is really all about. It's designed to create a user experience that will, and studies have proven it, speeds up the buying decisions and the actual purchases of products, goods, and services on these type of messaging platforms. So always up to chat about chat, and there's multiple ways to reach out and find me. And if this is something you want to explore further, I'm always up to give you the advantage of 45 minutes of my time. It's a free call, pitch free, and in advance of that, I always make sure that you have access to a coupon that will entitle you to discounts if you want to move forward on any aspect of this. So on that note, my name is Mark Huber, broadcasting live from beautiful Vancouver, Canada. And until we speak, all the very best of continued success, and goodbye for now.